I'm going to show you how to change your school year start and end dates in your plan book. So when you're planning, you might see something like this at first when you set up a new plan book. It might be set up for the wrong date, like this one is July 1st, 2025. I could jump to the first day of school, jump here. But if your school year doesn't start on July 1st or whatever date it's set at, if you want to change it, all you have to do is go to Settings and then click on Events. And then here's your start date and then your end date. So let's say that my school year starts August 18th and then it ends on May 29th. So don't have to click save or anything like that. It auto adjusts it. So you just close out. And now my first day of school is August 18th. So I'm going to jump to there. And then this is where I started planning lessons. So if I go back, you'll see there's no lessons here because my school year has adjusted. So yep, super easy, super simple. So settings and go to events to adjust the dates of your school year in your plan book.